So, guys, this entire session is going to be for 2 weeks. Okay. In first week, what are we going to do is I will be teaching you guys theory, and your coordinators will be helping you with the practicals, wherein you will be learning order placing, understanding market data, and everything step by step. Okay. Apart from that, guys, step by step. Okay. While I'm teaching you, whenever I'm done with my topic, I will be asking you, like, guys, whether did you guys understand this topic or not. On that time, you guys can let me know, okay, if there's any question or doubt. So definitely you guys will be having mic access, so you guys can unmute yourself and you can ask me your questions. Okay. So this entire training has been divided in theory and practical. And in second week, guys, you will be having access to my group, okay, wherein few of them are already there in that group, like Praveen is there, okay. So over there, there are many other participants who do their chart sharings and everything. So based on that, we all of us together, we do analysis on stocks, we do analysis on trading positions, on mutual funds and many parts. Okay. So I hope my all the instructions are clear to all of you. Everyone, hello. My instructions are clear to all of you, right? Okay, great. So now let's start our day, guys. I just want to understand how many of us are here totally new to the stock market, wherein like we don't know anything. Huh? We don't know investing, we don't know trading, we don't know nothing right now. Just type one in the chat box quickly. I just want to see how many of are here. Those who are okay, Praveen is new. Rakshita, okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Sandhya also. Okay. Debashish also. Okay, got it. Bindu also. I got it. No problem. So, guys, why I ask this question, at least I'll come to know that what type of words I have to use. Okay. So please be rest assured. So now let's start our day now. So basically, guys, in stock market, all of us know that there are stocks are listed. Okay. There are stocks are listed in market. So basically, what we do, we invest our money in the company shares. Okay. We invest our money in company shares. Now understand this, guys, what I'm trying to say. If you are investing your money in good businesses, okay, I'm repeating myself again. If you are investing your money in good businesses, there's a very high chance, there's a very high probability that money you have invested that will grow. Again, if business is growing, definitely your money will also grow. But if you are investing in the company wherein the business part is not good, they are very cheap, okay, their business practices are not good, management is not good, in that case, you may lose your invested money or your money may not grow. It will be stuck there. Everyone, kindly type in the chat box once, please. Just type one. I just wanted to understand, like, did you guys understood this particular part, what I said just? All of you. Huh? So it is very important, guys, whenever you are coming into the market for trading or investing, it is very important that you should know where you are investing, why you are investing, and when are you going to invest. Understand, guys, even if you guys invest in good companies, for example, if there's a Reliance stock, okay, if there is Reliance stock, okay, this stock is fundamentally good. This stock is fundamentally good. Okay. But somehow you entered in this stock when our entire Indian market is negative. You entered in this stock when our entire Indian market is negative. Then understand, guys, you know what will happen? Because of bad technical, because of bad technical, we may lose our money. Okay. We may lose our money. Why? Because fundamental tells me where to invest. Okay, fundamental tells me where to invest and technical tells me when to invest. Everyone, kindly please confirm me if this part is now clear to all of you. Everyone, just type one in the chat box. What I'm gonna do is I'll be sharing these notes. Okay. So please be rest assured. Huh? So what I mean to say is while we are learning stock market, we need technical data, we need fundamental data, but there is one more important data, which is very important to understand stock market. Everyone, there is one more data which is very important for all of us to understand stock market. Any guesses, guys? Everyone, any guesses? Chandrakant, I'm coming on that part. Okay, I will be elaborating properly, so please be rest assured. Huh, guys? You guys have my
Sir, your audio is muted, sir.
everyone. What's that third aspect of data? Kindly please confirm me. Fundamental is there, technical is there. What's the third aspect? May I know that, please? Guys, am I audible to all of you? Everyone. Practical? No. No, no, Ravi. Guys, understand one thing. If you guys will come in, if you guys are communicating with me, at least I'll come to know like where exactly we are standing, all of us. So that will actually help me. Economy. Very good. Perfect. Abhishek, economy, economic data, economic data. Okay. Now understand this, guys. In fundamental, what we have? Yep, Chandrakant. That is a part of fundamental actually. So if I'm looking at company financials, okay, if I'm looking at company financials, okay, if I'm looking at management, companies, business, mode of business, and whatever things which I'm looking, quantitative and qualitative. Everyone, when I'm talking about quantitative, that comes to the numbers like company's balance sheet, company's profit, company's loss, company's cash flow, company's revenue, all that comes into quantitative. But if I'm talking about qualitative, what comes here? Company fundamental, company management, company business, the way, the mode of business, their assets, and all that stuff comes into qualitative. Everyone, I hope this part is clear to now all of you. Everyone, please reply me in the chat box quickly. Is it clear to all of you now? It is my request, please, guys. Hmm? So, whenever we are into the market, it is very important for all of us to understand the qualitative and quantitative analysis of entire company. Okay. Now let's come to the technical part. Everyone, now let's come to the technical part. Okay. In technical, we come to the price behavior. Price behavior. Okay. Now understand this. In price behavior, basically there are very different modes. Okay. There are many different modes wherein we focus on chart. We look at supply and demand. We look at candle pattern. We look at SMC concept, which is also known as a smart money concept. So eventually, what are we doing over here? We are trying to find out the price behavior that from where exactly price is going up, from where exactly price is going down, where is the breakout, where is the breakdown, all that things we will be doing with the help of technical analysis. Everyone, is that clear to all of you now? This technical part, guys? Hello, everyone? Huh? Now coming to the economic data. Okay, so guys, now you answer this question. Which country's currency is the strongest currency? Which country? Dollar? Varun says dollar. What about others, guys? Can I get a response? USD, okay, Abhishek. GBP, Euro. Guys, I have a question for all of you guys. Whatever, no. Kuwait, guys, understand. Kuwait, dinar is almost 250, 270 rupees. I completely understand. But strongest global currency means that particular currency is used for trading. For example, if you guys are doing import export, what is used? Are we using Kuwaiti dinar? Are we using cryptocurrency? Everyone, are we using GBP? Everyone, are we using euros? No, we are using dollars. Everyone, what currency are we using? Dollars. So that means even US stock market performance is also connected to the Indian stock market. So yeah, so when I'm talking about this economic data, here we are also focusing on US data also. Okay, now let's understand this. So while focusing on economic data, in India, we have repo rate meeting from RBI. Everyone, repo rate stands for the rate where banks get money in the form of loan from the RBI. Everyone, repo rate meeting. Okay, repo rate is the rate, interest rate, okay, which comes with the money which is given to the bank from RBI. Everyone, is that clear to all of you? Now, Fed meeting. Fed meeting is something like Fed is RBI of USA. Okay, Fed is RBI of USA. So here what happens? Fed decides the interest rate, the money which is given to the bank by Fed. Okay, so now understand guys, if Fed and RBI are lowering down their interest rate, so definitely whatever consumer loans we have taken from the bank like education loan, vehicle loan, home loan, personal loan, everything will be decreased, right? Everyone, the percentage amount will be decreased, right? All of you, is that clear? Huh? So understand guys, this is the one. Apart from that, inflation meeting, inflation rate. This impacts, this particular part have major impact on stock market also, guys. Understand this, everyone. If inflation rate is high, understand my question, guys. If inflation rate is high, is it going to impact positively or negatively to the stock market? Then let it be whatever country it may be. It may be USA, it may be China, it may be India. Guys, please answer my question. It is my request. It will be negative, right? So yeah, we have inflation meetings also. Apart from that, GDP. Even these meetings are also important, guys. Everyone, all of you, right? If GDP is in growing stage, definitely there will be a good impact. But if GDP is not in growing stage, there will be a negative impact. Apart from that, elections. Guys, understand, stock market needs a stable government. Okay, if there is no stable government, then definitely we can see bad impact on stock market. While that same thing we saw like in past elections. Okay, when BJP government came up with the support of other government, we saw a very good amount of downfall in market, right? But when BJP came in power, again market recovered himself on same day. Everyone, do you guys remember this? I can show you on chart. Wait. If you look at this nifty candle, okay, one moment. Let me go ahead and get that election candle first. In one single day, market gave very good, huge jump. Everyone, see this. This candle. All of you. Can you see this red candle in one single day? All of you. If I measure this, the price correction was almost how much, guys? 8% in one single day. All of you. Are you guys getting my point? Why I am saying that this economic part is important? All of you. Apart from that, what's next? Budget. Everyone, budget. Now understand, if government is taking decisions which is not good for few sectors, that particular sectors will be impacted, right? So yep, directly we have a budget impact also on stock market. So I hope that now this particular part is very clear to all of you, that for doing any kind of study in market, we need all these three data. Everyone, right? And guys, all this data is available for free of cost. Trust me, you're not paying even single money to find out this data. I hope this part is clear to all of you now. Please quickly type one in the chat box, guys. It is my request. Everyone. Any questions for me? Any questions? You guys have access to mic. Guys, there is no questions, right? Everyone, we can continue further, right? Everyone?
Excuse me.
Yes,
May I
ma'am.
yeah. What is SMC and support resistance?
Ma'am, support and resistance means, I'll show you one small diagram. Like, for example, you have a ball, you have one ball in your hand, ma'am. Okay. If you throw that ball, okay, at upper direction. So at upper direction, we have a ceiling, right? So that is
Yes.
resistance. And
Okay.
then ball will come down. Okay. When
Yeah.
ball comes down, ball directly come to the land, right? Where exactly we
Yes.
have our flow. So that is
Yeah.
support area. So in
Okay.
technical language, if I say when price is going up, price will experience resistance. From that particular area, price will come down. And again,
Okay.
price will create a bottom from the floor, and then price will go up.
Okay. Okay.
So that is what we call support and resistance. And SMC, ma'am, it's a concept, smart money concept, wherein like we look at the trend, we look at the swing, we look at all the other stuff that I will be teaching you guys in technical part. So
Okay.
for now, what I have done is I have just named that things, like what things are we going to cover in this entire training in this entire week.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Who is next? What's the next question, guys? Guys, speak up, please. Look, you have a mic access. You can ask me as much as questions you want. It's my job to answer your question.
Ma'am, how economic data of country will impact on a single stocks?
Not on single stock, on that particular sector. Now understand, recently, what our transport minister said, that from sugarcane, they will try to generate ethanol, right? Do you remember this news?
Yeah, I remember.
Okay, but later on, what government did? Government put ban on the ethanol. And all of a sudden, all the sugar company stocks prices started tumbling. Why? Because they were not manufacturing ethanol. Now all of a sudden government said that now yes, now you can produce ethanol as much as you can because we need to mix that with the petrol. So see, now sugar stocks are working perfectly. You got my point?
I got it, but I wanted to understand that. So economic data basically impacted on a particular sectors, not on a specific company stocks and all, right?
No, not right. For example, if I say, let's assume in today's, I'm just saying, there was a repo rate meeting and bank said, or RBI said that we are going to reduce the interest rate of the loan amount which we are going to give to bank, or the amount which we are, whatever amount we have given to bank. Now bank has to pay lower interest rate. Now understand, eventually, if bank is paying lower interest rate to the RBI, so definitely that is a good boost up for the banking sector, right, sir?
Yeah.
Because whatever loans they have given to the public, even eventually their loan interest rate is also reduced. Right now, another more money will be injected in the economy. More people will take loans now for the lower interest rate. Are you getting my point, sir?
Yeah, that's I'm getting.
Hmm? And similarly, whatever like specifically, if I say on budget, so whenever government comes for the budget, okay, for example, Nirmala Sitaraman will come and say that there is a now LTCG tax. Okay, all of a sudden, if you saw the last budget, last year budget, when Nirmala,
Actually, yeah, that's economic data. I can understand it impact on a particular sectors,
Hmm,
either on a bulk of companies. But just
right,
suppose because under the SEBI having a multiple companies has been registered.
right,
Okay. But so if I'm going to purchase a stock, so generally I will purchase one or two companies stocks. I
hmm,
maximum 10 companies stocks.
right.
Okay. So I need to choose those stocks. So with the
r-
help of seeing the economic data of entire country, how it will be helpful for me to understand, okay, I need to pick up these stocks or these stocks and all.
Okay, sir. Number one thing, whatever economic data which we are talking right now, that economic data is represented quarterly. Okay,
Yeah.
and all the company results are also represented quarterly.
Yeah.
Same goes with sector. Now you tell me, sir, uh, whatever sectors we are looking right now, their performance is based on the company which are registered in that particular sector, right? Are you
Yeah.
getting my point? So
Yeah.
before directly jumping on the sector, I want you to do research on sectors, not on the companies. Are you
Mhm.
getting? That is our next point now. I'm coming on that
Okay.
point only now. Yeah,
Yeah,
that
then
sector
fine.
part. So
Yeah.
indirectly you will get your answer, sir. Don't worry. At the end of the session, if you feel that your question is not answered, you can again buzz me up, sir. Okay?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So now
Thank you.
let's come to the asset class type. Okay, number one, guys, we have index. In stock market, we have index. Now in index, we have two types of index. One is benchmark index. And one is sectorial index. Now understand, guys, if I want to see how is Indian stock market performing, I need benchmark data for that. In benchmark, we have two indexes. We have Nifty 50 and we have Sensex. Okay, now understand this. In Nifty 50, okay, there are all together top 50 companies list. Okay, that means if Nifty wants to get close in positive, 50 companies, okay, whatever 50 companies they have in that list, okay, their average should be positive, then only Nifty will be positive. If the average is negative, Nifty will be negative. Similarly, in Sensex, we have top 30 companies. Okay, if if companies are performing well and if average is positive, that means today Indian market is up. Okay, because that companies are fundamentally strong, that companies are like trusted companies with a big market capitalization. Okay, so basically benchmark index is used to measure that particular company, that particular country stock market. Now what is index? Like Nifty 50, okay, bunch of stocks, based on performance of bunch of stocks, okay, that particular index performance will be decided. For example, if I am in 10th standard, okay, if someone wants to judge my 10th standard result, how they will judge? They will give me mark for all the subjects, right? Algebra, geometry, history, geography, English, Hindi. And based on my performance, I will get one rating. And now that rating will be represented for my 10th, like 89%, 90%, whatever it may be. Similarly, in Nifty 50, okay, index, there are 50 stocks listed. So today, if you look at the market, okay, today, if you look at the market here, see, these are the top 50 stocks. Now you guys tell me, today Nifty closed positive or negative, guys? Please answer my question. Today Nifty closed positive or negative? It's in front of you. Can I get an answer? Nifty was positive, right? Everyone? Nifty was positive. So that means what? The maximum stocks which are in Nifty 50 index, they performed well today. Everyone, they performed well, because of which Nifty was positive today. Similarly, if you look at Sensex, in Sensex we have 30 companies. Now you tell me, maximum companies are positive or negative, guys? Everyone? Hello? Please reply. Maximum companies are positive or negative? Because of which, what happened? Today, Sensex is also positive. I hope now you guys understood what is benchmark index, right, everyone? Hello? Please reply me in the chat box. Basically, is the heat map for my Indian stock market. Is it top 50? Some retained 50 companies. It is top 50 companies. There are 50 companies, but there are top 50 companies. I am telling you. Yes, Praveen. Okay, guys, I hope you got answer, right, everyone? Any questions for this benchmark index? Now, recently, our one of our learning fellow asked one question about investing in stocks and economic. Okay, now that answer is coming over here. Okay, understand this now. So in sectoral index, what we have? We have an index from different sector, like Nifty Bank, Nifty IT, Nifty Pharma, Nifty FMCG. Okay, now understand this, guys. In Nifty Bank, we have 12 banks, including public sector and private sector. See this here. Bank Nifty, everyone? Bank Nifty is positive or negative? Kindly please reply, all of you. Bank Nifty is positive or negative? Everyone. Can I get answer, please? All of you, it's positive, right? Okay. See this, how many banks we have, guys? Everyone? How many banks we have over here? We have altogether 12 banks. Okay. So based on performance of this particular 12 stocks, Nifty Bank index, sector index is positive. Okay. Now let's go to the another topic. I'll just show you the stocks which are listed in Nifty IT. Okay. I have downloaded. Recently we had word with Hindi session. 1 second. Okay, guys, now see this list. How many stocks we have in IT sector? Everyone, how many stocks we have in IT sector? Quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 stocks we have in IT sector. Okay, now understand, if now all of us know that maximum IT business is coming from USA, right, everyone? Hello, do you guys agree with this statement? All of you? Maximum IT business is driven by the USA economy. Why? Maximum Indian companies, IT companies, are working for US based projects. Understand this. If anything happens in USA, definitely, guys, there will be an impact on IT sector. Are you guys getting my point? So these are the stocks, guys, in IT sector. So I hope you got your answer. Yes, Rakshita. Now understand this. Now I'm looking at here Nifty finance sector. You can see this Fin Nifty. Okay. In Fin Nifty, how many stocks we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have 20 stocks in Nifty finance sector. Similarly, in Nifty Pharma, we have different numbers of stock. In Nifty FMCG, we have different numbers of stock. In Nifty oil and gas, we have different numbers of stock. In Nifty metal, we have different numbers of stock. In Nifty automobile, we have different numbers of stock. Everyone, hello, guys, please answer my question, all of you. You guys understood this, right? And sir, the investing part which you were asking me, I hope even you got answer to that part also, right? So when you are investing in stocks directly, please never ever come to the stock. Okay. Always first focus on sectors. Try to find out like which sector is outperforming. Based on that only, you need to take decision in what sector you will be investing. All of you. I hope this part is clear now to all of you. Yes. In Nifty 50, in Nifty 50, are those the same 50 companies that are there to do keep changing depending on whoever has a highest market cap? Yes, Varun. Yes, rebalancing is done. That is the rebalancing is done by NSE. Okay, that is done by NSE. How to find outperforming sector? That's a part of analysis that we'll see. They keep doing like yearly basis or after every 6 months. They did recently. They recently added Swiggy. Swiggy or Zomato was added recently. Let me check. Nifty 50. One second, let me check. There was a new stock from the food sector actually. Geo Finance, yeah. This buddy was added recently. Geo Finance, yeah. Everyone, I hope this part is clear to all of you, right? The basic which we are learning. It is based on market capitalization. Okay. Chalo. Now let's come to the market participant part. Okay. Now we'll focus on market participants. Okay. So my question.
On Instagram.
Sorry. Harshita, do you have question, Harshita? Hello, Harshita. Ma'am, please mute yourself then. Okay. So guys, now understand this. What do you guys think? Whatever price movement that we see in the market, is it because of us or because like someone else? What do you guys think? Who are they? Who is creating movement in the market? Any guesses? DII, FII? Okay, Chandrakant. What about others? Institutions. Okay, Varun. Perfect. That's the same answer. Jenny says government. Okay. What else? Guys, I need proper input from all of you, please. It is my request. Everyone. Okay. I'll answer this question. You guys are partially right. Okay. Number one, guys, understand this. Here we have FII and DII. Okay. And these people are institutions. Okay. Now understand this. FII stands for foreign institution. Prithvi, yeah, economic factors are there. They are playing like vital role in this. Okay, but understand what I'm saying now. FII stands for foreign institution. DII stands for domestic institution. Now understand this. In this we have banks. In this we have insurance company. In this we have pension funds. In this, we have AMC companies like mutual funds. In this, we have hedge funds. Okay, now understand this. Guys, there is one thing common among all. Can I get that answer, please? What's that common one thing? All of you. What's that common one thing among all of them? Big funds. Okay. But Varun sir, my question is, fund belongs to whom? Community. Partially right, Sandhya. But that fund belongs to whom? Investor. Who are they? Investor. Who are they? Wrong, Sandhya. Who are they? Again, my question is, who are they? Everyone. I know I am doing so much of cross question to all of you. Yes, Akshita, public, people, individuals. Perfect, guys. Everyone. Very good. Perfect, 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 perfect. So understand this, guys. They have public money. Public money. That means big churn. Okay. They have public money. That means big churn. Sandhya, I said you are partially wrong. Okay. Again, guys, these people have, okay, understand this. These people have employees wherein they do 7 hours, 8 hours research by sitting in their office. So that means what they have a good network. They have a good network. Network of what? Network of research. Now understand. I am coming to the power part. These are the people. Guys, understand. These are the people. Yes, Varun, you are right. These are the people. They execute big positions. Positions with the amount of 2000 CR, 3000 CR, 4000 CR in the market. And that is actually going to create a big movement like this, big movement like that. Everyone, are you guys getting my point? What I'm trying to explain you guys? So whatever movement, whatever price distribution you are looking into the market, price behavior you are looking to the market, this is because of public money. But who are they? They are indirect investors. That publics are indirect investors. Why? Because they have given their money to bank, insurance, pension fund, AMC. Okay. Now understand, guys. Are they investing directly? Everyone. Does public, like public is investing directly right now? No, right? Public has given money to the bank. Bank is investing in stock market. Insurance company is investing in stock market. Pension fund is investing in stock market. So basically, public is indirect participant. I hope this part is clear to all of you. Let's go with a few examples. Okay. Guys, if I talk about JP Morgan, can you guys please tell me JP Morgan is FII or DII? Everyone. Who is JP Morgan? It's FII or DII? FII. Okay. Let's understand this. Let's understand this. Uh, Morgan Stanley. Morgan Stanley. FII or DII? Okay. Perfect. Bank of Mauritius. Bank of Mauritius. Yes, Rakshita, they are. They are. Okay, perfect. So now you guys understood this, right? Okay. So now my question to you is, FII money inflow, is it going to be a positive sign for the Indian market or negative sign? FII money inflow into Indian market, is it a positive sign or negative sign? Everyone, it cannot be both, my friend Varun. It cannot be both. It will be positive, right? And the outflow will be negative. Outflow will be negative. Okay, so now let's look at the data. Okay, let's look at the data. Guys, again, all this information is available on internet for free of course. It is just that you should know how to find, where to find, and when to find. Okay, look what I'm FII, DII data. Go. See this. Here you will get multiple links and everything. Okay, you can open anyone. You can click on anyone. Okay, see, here we have a data. But for now, what I'm going to do is I'll be showing data from October 2024. Why October 2024? Because from there actually we saw correction in Nifty. Our Nifty was all-time high till September 2024. January, February, March, April, May, June 2025. Go. Okay, guys, now see this. In October month, everyone. Yep, I'm coming on that one. In October month, what was the amount outflown by FII? Everyone. It was 1,14,445 CR. How much? 1,14,445 CR. Let's see impact on the market. We'll try to figure out the impact on the market. Wait. Okay. So guys, here what happened to Nifty? Everyone, please reply me. What happened to Nifty in a month of October? Can I get a reply from all of you below? You can see there's a month written on the chart. Okay. What we saw in the month of October because of that selling? Everyone. We saw that Nifty was negative. Nifty was negative. Now see this. October, November, December, January, February. Till February, they did consistent selling. Till February, they did consistent selling. Now see this. October, November, December, January, February. Everyone, same thing is reflecting on our chart, right? Guys, please answer my question. Same thing is reflecting on our chart. Now let's look at other side. March, April, May, June, they again started buying. March, April, May, June, they again started buying. So see what we saw here. March, April, May, June. Everyone, isn't this good? You know, while you're trading in Nifty, while you're trading in Bank Nifty, while you're trading in stock option in HDFC, in SBI, in ICI, in any bank or in any stock or in any index, it is very important for all of us to focus on FII data. In my daily analysis part, guys, FII data is playing very important role for me. That helps me to understand whether my next day market is going to be positive or negative. Understand? I hope that now this FII, DII part is clear to all of you. Guys, DII participation is not that important. Okay. But FII is important. Guys, is that clear to all of you? Everyone. Any questions for me so far? Any questions for me so far? Altaf, Amit, Anantaraj, Aparna, Avinash, Prithvi, Balachandra, Bindu, Chandrakant, Harshita, Janice, Karthik, everyone. Is it clear to all of you? Whatever basics we are talking right now. Varun sir, DII, that doesn't play that much important role. They are playing important role, but not that much. Okay, perfect. Now, understand guys, whenever we are doing trading or investing, we require all these three data. So now you guys understand, right? Why I am like justifying this thing properly, each and every single thing. Now understand, tomorrow what are we going to learn? Tomorrow we are going to learn the basics of trading. Okay. Wherein I will be teaching you how the trading data is driven. Trading is always volatile, guys. Understand? Trading is always volatile. How to manage that volatility, how that data works. Okay. You know, guys, earning money from trading is very easy, but when data analysis is done properly. Okay. But if things are not done properly, then whether you do investing or trading, at the end, you will end up in loss. Understand? So what I'm expecting from you guys tomorrow is that you guys will be sitting with proper book and pen. And guys, if it is possible, please keep your video on tomorrow. Okay. While we are doing this, because I want to see you guys while you're making notes, while you're taking notes. So in case if you guys are stuck anywhere, so I can help you guys with the proper answer. All of you. Is that clear? Everyone. Perfect. So I'm sharing these notes with you. Everyone, do you guys want me to share this note? All of you? Okay, 1 minute. Guys, please check your Telegram channel once. All of you. I have shared the note and just I have noted everything. Okay. Guys, those who have any questions, any doubt? Message me on this number. Okay. For Telegram channel link, please. Okay, guys, I see that many of you guys don't have this Telegram link yet. Okay. What I request you guys, you can please message me on this number. I will share things on this number to you guys, everyone, because I personally don't have access to Telegram. Okay. I am member in that group, but I cannot add you actually. Okay. So message me on this number. It's 9004004218, guys.